Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the Excel source and opening Bartender. Make sure your sheet has a header row and save as XLSX, then close Excel so Bartender can access it. In Bartender, create a new label document using the size you need. Once done, go to the File menu and open Database Connection Setup to add a new connection. This is the first actionable step that links your template to the file so fields can map automatically. You will now connect and map data so your label populates automatically. Use the database connection wizard and pick OLEDB or ODG for Excel, then browse to the saved file and select the worksheet. After you preview rows, pick a unique column as an identifier and drag each Excel header to the corresponding text or barcode object on the label. Make sure field formats match, dates, numbers, and text, so printing behaves predictably. Finish by validating and printing a test record so you confirm layout, fonts, and barcodes. You should preview multiple records to verify pagination and record selection, then print a single label to confirm real-world output. If data looks wrong, check field formatting and the Excel cell types. Make sure the correct character encoding and barcode symbology are selected. If the connection fails, close Excel to release locks or copy the workbook locally and reconnect. That often resolves access errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.